When we see an ace at the end, remember that means it's an enzyme. Attaches to a promoter.
A promoter.
Promoter.
Like the bird crow?
Pro.
Oh, pro.
Promoter means before the motor, or before we get started on it.
Like it's really
So there are codes in the DNA that says, all right, polymerase, you need to start right here. And that's called a promoter, okay? Attaches to a promoter sequence of DNA and begins to add complementary RNA nucleotides.
Nucleotide.
One at a time.
Which one are we on?
So it says, so it comes across an adenine and says, all right, what attaches to adenine? It's the thymine. Actually, in RNA, it's different. It will attach a uracil to instead of a thymine.
What's so?
So RNA is a little bit different than DNA. So it would attach what matches to it. So it would be like that mirror image. It builds up a strand of messenger RNA.
Can we just put an M in front of it?
You can. If you can remember that M stands for messenger, that's fine. Oh, it says it right next to it, also called mRNA.
I just had a hair right
In eukaryotes,
What are you
the
looking at?
mRNA has non-coding regions called introns. This isn't super important. I'm not going to test you on it.
I don't even know what an intron is.
Yeah, it's just a part that's not coded.
Oh.
Like, it doesn't really mean anything,
So
and it would have to be removed.
I don't
These
know.
must be removed in a process called splicing.
Called what?
Don't worry about this too much.
Call me slow.
I can't see the full word.
I don't know why you said introns and I thought of Transformers.
Wait, what is that last?
It just kind of sounds like it.
Yeah.
Splicing. I didn't get the full word.
The mRNA then leaves the nucleus through nuclear pores.
Yeah. What's that other one?
What?
What's it about? Pores?
Pores, yeah.
I'm pretty poor.
Oh yeah.
I got $50 in my name.
Haley, are you good?
I finished on
All right, let's go over here. This
And
little
what?
sticky note here, we just need to remember that
good
transcription
job.
is DNA gets turned into mRNA.
That's a porn. I wrote
Okay,
porn.
that's the transcription.
I wrote porn.
Stop saying that.
Tommy, stop. I'm sorry.
How is RNA different from DNA? This could be something that you need to remember.
Because it has an R instead of a D.
It does, okay?
It's
So
not,
RNA has a ribose sugar
It's not
instead of a deoxyribose sugar,
I was gonna
okay?
say,
It's just shaped a little bit differently. So
How do we say that then?
RNA has a ribose sugar. In DNA, it's deoxyribose.
what's the first thing? DNA has a blank basis.
Girl, what?
Oh, number one.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, what's number one?
Sorry, I'm really disappointed that this is split up the way it is. RNA has uracil.
But I didn't say you're. That would've been funny.
It's URACIL
DNA it is
instead of
deoxyribose.
thymine. So anywhere that thymine would go,
Wait.
uracil is put in. And that just has to do
Can you
with
what?
how the chemistry works. What? Why does everybody have to pee so much today?
I love you. Tommy, what? You love me?
All right, so I went
Sure,
in
yeah,
order. RNA has uracil bases instead of thymine. So on Monday when we do our like hands-on thing, you're going
Hands
to
on?
see that. Instead of putting anywhere that thymine would go in DNA, you would put uracil. Okay? RNA has ribose sugar instead of deoxyribose. So it's just shaped a little bit differently. And RNA is usually a single strand, whereas DNA is double strand. And that's how they're different, okay?
What?
So you know how you've been saying a bunch of stuff that we've all been laughing at?
Look here.
Alright, are we good with that?
I hate you.
Yep.
Oh my god, why?
Alright,
So
so now
cringe.